Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. In this video, I'm going to show you sample drone footage from three powerhouse drones: the Typhoon H Pro, the Typhoon H Plus, and the Phantom 4 Pro. I'll include samples of all color settings for each of the drones, and you can download the original clips to test out on your computer. Is it worth upgrading from the Typhoon H to the Typhoon H Plus? Or from the Q500 to the Typhoon H Plus? A lot of Q500 owners and Typhoon H owners are asking that very same question. Maybe you own a Phantom 4 or a Phantom 4 Pro and you're thinking about going to a Typhoon H Plus as well. In coming episodes, I'm going to compare these drones in a lot of different ways to help you try to make that decision for yourself. Today, I'm going to shoot a series of 10-second clips from each of these drones in each of the color settings for the drones and put them on here so you can look at them and compare them yourself. Once I put them up on YouTube, because the compression, that sort of thing, it may not be fully accurate, may not be the best comparison for you. So I'm going to put these clips online. The links are in the description below. You can download these things and try them out on your computer and test them out. Try color grading them yourselves. See which ones you like best. So which drone and which color setting is best for you? Watch these and you tell me. Watching these here on YouTube is helpful, but the real test is how they work for you on your computer. How well they look, how well they color grade. So download the clips, the links are in the description below, and try them out for yourself. Which ones did you like? I'm really interested in knowing your opinions. I hope you'll try these things out, test them, color grade them, and then post your comments in the description below. I'd love to hear what you think. Hey, I've got a Facebook group and it's free to join. It's a great place for us to get together and talk about drones. I love flying with subscribers, so I'm always looking for opportunities to fly with you. If you are in the Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma area, I've been known to travel great distances to fly with somebody. So please go down to the link in the description, click on that and join the Facebook group and let's talk. On screen you'll see links to a couple of videos that I've done recently. Click on those and check them out and let me know what you think on those. Also, hit the subscribe button. It's right in the middle of the screen right now. And then there's also a bell icon you click on to be notified when I publish something again. That way you won't miss out on future episodes. Thanks for watching.